So here is my AC and you can see the dust. Oh my goodness, it's horrible. It's pretty bad condition. So look it guys. Look at the dust. So if I inhale the air coming from this AC, I probably get cancer. So better I'll clean it. Before doing any kind of disassembly, make sure you guys unplug your power cord. First open your AC front panel. My panel is kind of broken this. So it's in 4 parts. So the clean air is broken. It's not a big deal. Now guys, we're going to remove these 2 filters. Make sure you wear masks. This is pretty dusty. So these both 2 are air filter and this one is bacteria filter. I don't know whether it's work or not. I have no idea. The people do not wash this, but you have to wash it guys. And guys, if your AC condition is like this, if you have this much dust on your AC, you need to jet clean this AC. Else it will be not good for your health as well as it will not good for the AC. Now we're going to unplug this flap from this chassis. So here it is guys, we have 4 clip. This is the clip and you can easily remove it. Be careful, it can break easily. So on clip and it is 2 clips. We remove the flap. It's a little bit tricky, but finally I removed it. Now I need to open all of these screws. Like here we have a hidden screw, 2, and here we have another one, 3, and we have a couple of screws on the top. And after that, removing screw, we able to remove this front cover. This is the bottom panel. Next guys, remove this screw. And here we have another 2 screws, this one and this one. If we unscrew it, it will open the top panel. Remove this top panel. So as you see, we successfully able to open the top panel. Okay, here we have some electronics to unplug it. Before that, so finally we are able to unplug this front cover. Now you see guys how many dust are on these fans. And this side we have our circuitry or PCB or electronics. Make sure you don't spray any kind of water on this side. And this side we have a motor. You can remove it too, but we are not going to remove it. Make sure, okay, we just make sure we don't spray water on this motor. Now guys, we're going to clean all of this dust that deposited over this fan. And to clean it, we're going to use a couple of brushes like this. Some are hard, some are soft brush. And make sure you wear a mask when you are cleaning your AC because it will be dangerous. This dust is pretty dangerous. Now take a brush and scrub this dust. You just need to brush vertically, don't do like this, it will damage the thing, so you need to brush gently like this way. Leave this portion using some soft brush. So guys, the AC fan looks pretty clean. If you guys want to purchase this brush set, I'll leave a link of the brush set in the description below, so check the description. This front panel, these filters and this case, we're going to clean it using water. Now guys, we're going to clean it using a 12-volt jet wash. You can just hand wash it, just use water to wash it. And make sure you don't wash these kind of electronics thing. So here is a switch, and here we have another electronics. So make sure you don't jet wash here, just wash it using clothes. That's enough. Now let's clean it one by one. Make sure you guys don't spray any water on those electronics. So I'm going to have a cloth here. Jet wash, clean it with some cloth so that all of this dirt particle get out of your AC, and then leave it to dry. Now guys, we're going to jet wash the indoor unit, and for this we purchased this thing for a couple of years back, 2-3 years back. I remember unboxing lying around from Amazon. It's a cover to clean your indoor unit. So I think I bought around 800-900 rupees. Okay, if I get the purchase link, I'll leave the link in the description below. So this is the AC cover. It will be replace the AC. Guys, now I'm going to use this 1800 jet wash to clean this AC. I think it's way too overkill for this AC. And one more thing guys, make sure you cover this electronics part using some plastic or some cloths so that water don't get inside on this electronics part or PCB. So I'm going to put the cloth here. And over this I will apply the plastic so that the chances of water getting here become very less. So guys, the AC is now neat and clean, and here is the dusty water. All of this dirt that's coming out from this AC is on this bucket. Now let's remove this cover. Okay, this cover safe little bit. Now we're going to remove this cover, and let's see whether without any kind of water is PCB or not. No water, nothing on this side. And look at this guys. The fins, all of the fins are clean. So finally we cleaned the indoor unit. Still we need to clean the outdoor unit, and you guys can see we cleaned it. There is no dust on the fins. It's about 99% cleaned. So let's go to outside and clean the outdoor unit. Cleaning outdoor unit is pretty simple, and it will take me about 5 to 10 minutes. Here is my outdoor unit. You see, it's also dusty. Look at this spider net. It's full of dust, and we're going to clean it using our pressure washer. This pressure washer is going to clean this outdoor unit within seconds. So let's clean it. Guys, I'm a little bit screwed because I use the 0-degree nozzle to clean it, and it damaged the pressure damage pins. As you see guys, couple of pins are damaged. If using very high pressure, be careful guys, it might damage your pin. So indoor unit as well as outdoor unit is neat and clean. Now we're going to install all of this panel that we previously disassembled from this indoor unit. Now let's install one by one. So I put back everything together and I'm sweating like a pig. I don't know pig sweat or not. Turn on the switch. I'm a little bit scared whether I damage it or not. Wow, the flap is closing. That's a good sign. Now let's turn on the AC. Wow, it's turning on. Wow, I'm getting a little bit cold air from the AC. The airflow increased by 10 times. I think I did a good job today because I do the courage to service my own AC. Now I learn it how to do it, and because of this empty room you guys probably hearing some echo. Sorry for that. So guys, that's it for today. I'll meet with you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.